Now that's good stuff. The goal is to get as much color in this as possible. That's why I went with the multicolored of the peppers. And they say, eat the rainbow, so we're going to get as much color and variety in here as we can. Cauliflower. To make our cauliflower rice, you just cut around the stem here, down into the cauliflower. You can get most of the problems out of the way. Then just pull off the last of your little leaves here, which you can eat. I have a bag that I keep in my freezer that I put my vegetable scraps in that I use to make soup. So nothing goes to waste. It'll all be. We'll make that one too. We'll make that video as well. But in this case, we're just cutting off the florets. Because what we're going to do is make cauliflower rice, and I'm going to use my veggie bullet from Ninja and make some cauliflower rice with it. You can use your food processor, unshred, just like if you were going to make a coleslaw or something like that. You could use it to make this cauliflower rice. Alright, let's get the Ninja and I'll show you how it's done. While you're doing this, put your peppers on the stove so they can boil till they're just tender. You don't want them too soft, but you want them tender so that they're cooked when they come out of the oven after you stuff them. Now we're going to make our cauliflower rice. This goes really fast, but it's also really noisy. That's all there is to that. See that? Looks like rice. It cooks up like rice too. You'd be surprised. People don't even know it's there. Your store, $2.83, so I figured I could splurge for the good peppers, the multicolored ones, because they're prettier. And I think maybe the nutrition's a little bit different in each one of them. So we're going to brown up this ground beef, and then we're going to put our mixture together. It just goes in for about a minute, just to get a little of the moisture off of it. We've got our ground beef all browned off. We're going to add in our cauliflower rice. A jar of spaghetti sauce, any kind of flavor that you like. And I cut up some cheese because I like cheese on mine. mix all this together. The heat is off. It's just really messy. It's just residual heat. Sizzle it a little bit. The next thing you can do, as I've already done with some, is stuff your peppers. Got that cheese. Ooh. This is the same mixture you can also use to make stuffed cabbage, or you can just eat what's left. Now we're going to pop them in a 375-degree oven till they're kind of warm and bubbly, because they're already cooked all the way through. Then I'm going to top them with some cheese and melt the cheese on top, and we'll be ready for dinner. There they are, all melty and good. Now that's good stuff.